Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I still remain your master praise. Today question is express 1,000,000 178 in figures. Express 1,178 in figures. Solution. Express 1,178 in figures. Now, what's the tricks you use to solve it? 1,000,000 178. Is there 1,000? Is there hundreds? Yes. 100. Trace it. 100. And 78. And 78. 78. 78. One million 178. You bring them down. 0 plus 0 plus 8. 8. Addition. 0 plus 0 plus 7. 0 plus 1. Bring it down. 0, 0, 0, comma 1. Therefore, answer is 1,178. Hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, share, comment, hit the notification bell. Bye bye.